Model, 2016 Renault Trafic VIVARO Business Plus SL29 dCi 115. Excellent runner, needs clutch super clean, wow starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148,084. MOT, the 29th of April 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, dual mass will need replacing as the clutch is slipping. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.